Hey guys, this is DTech here, and today I'll be telling you how to install DVR slash view slash play on mobile. So first of all, what you're going to need is a DVR, obviously. Second, you need this app called GDMSS Plus. So what you want to do is go to the Play Store, and remember, for an iOS device, if you want to view the cameras, it's an IDMSS Plus, but for a Android device it is called GDMSS Plus. So go ahead and type in GDMSS Plus. So remember, it should be from Dahua technology from here. So go ahead and install it. I already installed it, as you can see, so I'm going to open it. So give it permissions to access the device. So I'm in the United Kingdom right now, so I'm going to click the United Kingdom. So what you want to do here right now is go home. If you want to add a device, click on device, press add, press online search. So let it search. Okay. I blurred out these spots because I don't want to give my personal information. But go ahead and click the one that's coming up. So for me, it's a DVR because I use a DVR. So we're going to click DVR. Then type in device name. I'm gonna click name it as example house maybe. Don't worry guys, it's not the house, it's the office. It's like a secret area. So the device password, yeah, I can't tell you the device password. That part. So go ahead at the end. So let it take its time. So there you go guys, you got it. So yeah, now what you need to do, if you want to, say example, want to hear the recording from outside or the voice from outside, click on this speaker button. Yeah, so currently I think you can hear this right now. Say if you want to speak to them, then you can click this button. Sorry guys, I can't record my voice due to I'm recording, but that's okay. So what you want to do, if you want a HD mode of what's going on, click on this SD. Now it's 1080p now. You can zoom in, see what's happening. These devices are good for home security, every like security for office purposes and all those stuff. Overall, I'll rate this out of 10. I put a link in description. Please check out this DTech website. It's completely free to visit, but you had to pay a cheap price for cameras. It's not expensive. It's just the normal retail price, but if you get from anywhere else, like, it's very expensive. So check the website out. Okay guys, so say if you want a 16 channel view, go ahead, click 4. Now you get those 9 channel view. See guys, you can see from there. This is an IP camera. You can see. So say if you want the 16 channel view, then click on 9. Let it take its time. There you go, it's loading. Oh, sorry guys. It depends on your DVR. Say for example, if you have a 8 channel DVR, it will only display 8 channels of you can only view 8 channels on your device. Say if it's a 4 channel DVR, you can only review 4. 16, 16. So yeah, guys. So you can see right now I got 6 cameras over there. Sorry guys, I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, there you go. So what you want to do now, you can see inside. It's pretty clear to me, guys. Once you press SD, yeah, it's that exact good. So that's pretty much it, guys. So just a quick recap. If you want to, so now if you want to live view your cameras, click on live over here. Then sorry guys, let's go back. Home, live. Go ahead, click on the add camera button. Now click on house or whatever your device name is. Start view. There you go, guys. Now say if you want to play back some recordings, then go ahead, click on video. Now click on house. Just be let it load. Okay guys, now you can see yeah, so you can see it's changing its time. So right now you can see it's 22, basically 10 o'clock. Now I'm going to change it to say 5 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Let it load. There you go. Oh, sorry, 1 o'clock. So that's how you play back. You could also do fast forwarding. So click on that. Fast forwards. You see the time getting faster. You can also hear what they're saying out loud too. And I think you could record. You could record the playback footage. You could off the recording there. Now say if a burglar came home in your house or something, you could go to that certain time. Camera, and it takes a screenshot of the current footage that's happening on that time. And that will be that, guys. So if you didn't already subscribe, go check out D-Tech. It's a really good website. You can buy cheap cameras for it's a great bargain. It's actually a really good bargain. So guys, if you didn't already, go check out D-Tech website. Go and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, you don't need to worry. It's we'll be installing for 8.